4 November Delta Kilo. Whiskey 4 November Delta Kilowatt, QRP. Whiskey 4 November Delta Kilo. Whiskey 4 November Delta Kilo, QRP. November Delta Kilo. November Denmark Kilo.
Okay, Nate, North Carolina, November Delta Kilo. Nate, you're 454, Massachusetts. Last call, thanks, Nate.
Hey, thanks. You're 5x5, North Carolina, QRP 73.
Anyone else for WVOW? Last call.
WVOW. Will you tell your call sign slowly, please?
Okay, Echo.
Whiskey 4 November Delta Kilo, QRP, pedestrian mobile. Can we go down? Can we go up 5? Up 5, please. I copy you. It's this guy booming in. This is Whiskey 4 November Delta Kilo, QRP, pedestrian mobile, Topsail Island, North Carolina.
Whiskey 4 November Delta Kilo, QRP. This is KQ4 GBE. I am also on Topsail. That's probably why I'm hearing you, QRP.
Yeah, you sound like you're right next door with a megaphone here. Yeah, I'm interested in, I'm putting you on my YouTube channel if that's okay. If not, I won't post this video. It's not a live stream. But yeah, I'm at Topsail. My name is Nate. Whiskey 4 November Delta Kilo.
Good to hear you, Dave. Yeah, you have my permission. That's fine. I'm not that far from you. I understand. 4-1 Cottage on the beach.
Okay, Roger, Roger. Are you renting?
Yeah, we rent down here every summer. So I'm here until Saturday morning.
Okay, well, it's nice to meet a ham, and I'll go ahead and stop the video, but tell me your call sign one more time, and then I'll stop the video, and we'll keep chatting for a second.
Call sign is Kilo, Quebec, 4, Golf, Bravo, Echo. Scott, my normal QTH is Round Hill, Virginia.